Hello guys and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video we will continue with some more CSS properties. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's open our page1.html with Notepad++. We will start from 0 in this video, so delete all that you have in your body and delete also the code that you have from the last video. And let's type here body. We are working with the body again, and this time I'll teach you a new property, which is the font family, and let's give it Arial, and let's type here some content. Hello, my name is Shafiq. So let's save this. Let's give it some color also to the content. Color blue. And remember, every time you close a property, you have to always end it with a semicolon. So here I end these with semicolon. So let's save this and refresh. And hello, my name is Shafiq is in blue and Arial font family. Let's change this to see that it works. Impact, save, refresh, and you see it changed to impact. So let's write here another new property for you to learn, which is word spacing. That's pretty clear that what it does, and let's give it 5 pixels. So word spacing gives a space between words, as you see. Okay, so let me change this to 10. Save, and you see that the space gets wider in between the words. Let's go to another property, which is called the line height. The line height is the space between lines. When you have a big text but we have a tiny phrase, we have to copy paste this, copy and paste, and Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, save, open, refresh. I have 3 lines now and I want more space between them. You see they are almost one over each other. I want more space between them, so we type line height and let's put some 20 pixels and let's see, refresh. Well, we don't see much, we need more. Let's type 60 pixels and refresh, and there it is. Okay, so 60 pixels is this right here, is the space between 2 lines, so we can increase or decrease the space between them. Let's continue and learn other new properties. We used them before but not in CSS. We used them in HTML, but we will learn now to use them in CSS, which are italic words or letters and bold. So let's delete this and leave only the original one, and let's put this inside p tags. So this is now a P, and we are going to use the selector P to select that. Let's open and close curly braces, and inside this, let's imagine I want this phrase, hello, my name is Shafiq, in bold. So I type font weight and bold, save it, open the browser, and here it is in bold. Let's go to another property, which is font style. And here we type Italic, save it, open the browser, and here it is. We have the phrase in bold and italic. So this is all for this video, and we will continue with CSS in the next video. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.